So our past participle, this is our third and final part of our passé composé, the past participle. Now, there's actually a little formula here that we use, and it's quite simple, to take an infinitive, which is the form of the verb, the basic form of the verb that we haven't really touched. We haven't conjugated it at all. We've just sort of looked it up in the dictionary and we found this in a verb book somewhere, and we actually want to put it in the past tense. So let's take our previous example with manger. Let's take another example with finir. And let's take another example with rendre, right, to give back. Now, infinitives in French always end with these combinations of letters, okay? All verbs in French, infinitives, either end with the letters ER, like manger, IR, like finir, or RE, like rendre. Now, depending on which category your verb comes under, you're going to apply a slightly different formula. So, if your verb is part of this first category, the ER category, what you're going to do to transform the infinitive into a past participle is this. You're going to remove the ER from the verb, and you're going to add instead an E with an accent that goes like this, in this direction. Okay, so it starts at the bottom and it goes up like that. Okay, it doesn't go like this, doesn't go like this. It starts at the bottom and it goes up. What about finir? Exactly the same thing. We remove the IR if our infinitive ends with IR. And what do we replace the IR with? Well, we don't replace it with this. We just replace it with an I. Same thing for rendre. If your verb ends with RE, we remove that RE from the infinitive and we replace the RE with a U. Again, this is very much a screenshot moment. ER equals E with an accent, IR equals I, RE equals U. Now let's just apply that to these three infinitives to see actually what that looks like. We have manger. Now I'm going to take off the ER because I want to make a past participle. So there goes away my ER. What do I replace it with? Well, I replace it with E, with an accent. That there, manger, is the past participle of the verb to eat in French. Okay? Let's do the same thing with finir. Remove the IR. What do I replace it with? Well, just an I. And that's it. That's my past participle of the verb finir. Same thing with rendre. Remove the RE. I replace that with a U. Rendu. Past participle, past participle, past participle. We've just taken infinitives and we've transformed them into past participles using this formula.